Shoulder bridge is the perfect exercise for hikers as it develops proprioception and pelvic stability. We're going to start lying on our backs. Your feet will be underneath your knees, and we're going to start in a neutral position. You're going to take a breath in and exhale, press your pelvis up to the ceiling. Inhale, lift one foot off and extend it up. Flex your foot and lower, point and lift. Flex lower, point, lift. Flex lower, point, lift. Bend your knee, set that foot down, bring the other leg up. Flex lower, point, lift. Reach through that leg. Make sure your pelvis is even. Set that leg down, lift it up. Again, exhale and inhale. Set it down, bring the other leg up. Flex and point. Exhale and inhale. Exhale, inhale. One more set. And flex and point. Keep that pelvis lifted. And set the leg down. Last time. Flex and point. Set that leg down and lower your pelvis.